Hello everyone, welcome back to Stoic Wisdom today. Let's be honest, comfort feels good. It's warm, easy, familiar. It's the extra hour of sleep, the path of least resistance, the silence when you should speak. But the Stoics warned us, comfort is a trap. Not because it's evil, but because it slowly makes you soft, silent, stuck. Today we explore why the Stoics embrace discomfort and how you can grow by stepping outside your comfort zone. Let's begin. Part 1. The problem with constant comfort. Modern life offers comfort at every turn. Food, fast. Entertainment, endless. Opinions, curated. Pain, avoided. But here's what comfort rarely offers. Growth, strength, depth, truth. As Seneca wrote, it is in times of security that the soul should prepare itself for difficulty. Because when you always choose comfort, you forget how strong you really are. Part 2. The Stoic view of discomfort. Epictetus was born a slave. His leg was broken by his master. He walked with pain every day of his life, and still he taught, difficulties are what show men who they are. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire during plague, war, and betrayal, and yet he wrote, the impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way. Discomfort was not something to avoid. It was something to train in. Part 3. Why discomfort is a Stoic training ground. 1. It builds endurance. When you sit with discomfort, physical, emotional, situational, you train your nervous system not to panic. You prove to yourself, I can survive this. I don't need to escape it. I can stand in the fire and not be burned. 2. It sharpens identity. Comfort blurs clarity, but discomfort it reveals. When things are hard, you ask, what do I really believe? What am I made of? Where does my strength begin? This is where identity becomes earned, not assumed. 3. It recenters you on what matters. Discomfort strips away ego, distraction, illusions of control. You return to what is essential: breath, virtue, character, presence. And that's where the Stoic lives, not in excess, but in essence. Part 4. How to embrace discomfort without burning out. This is not about self-punishment. It's about self-preparation. You don't need to suffer for suffering's sake. You train in small ways so that big storms don't shake you. Here's how. 1. Seek voluntary discomfort daily. Do one thing uncomfortable on purpose. Cold shower. Digital detox. Digital detox. Say no when it's hard. Speak the truth kindly, even when it's awkward. Wake up early and don't snooze. It's about the signal you send to yourself. I'm not controlled by comfort, I choose strength. 2. Don't run from emotional discomfort. Feel what you avoid: fear, guilt, loneliness, regret. Write about it, sit with it, breathe through it. Don't numb it. Name it, and walk through it. This is emotional stoicism, the ability to suffer well. Toago quoth. 3. Use obstacles as training, not punishment. Next time something interrupts your day, say, good, this is my training ground. Don't resist discomfort, integrate it. Let the hard thing make you sharper, not smaller. Part 5. Stoic quotes that embrace discomfort. Difficulties strengthen the mind, as labor does the body. Seneca. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius. A ship should not ride the harbor all its life. Let it be tried by storms. Seneca. You weren't born for stillness. You were born for resilience. Part 6. What embracing discomfort builds in you. Skolonsul. Grit, courage, presence, mental silence, self-respect. A body and mind that follow intention, not impulse. And slowly you stop needing things to be easy. You start loving yourself for doing what's hard and doing it anyway. Part 7. A warning. Discomfort is not destruction. The Stoic does not chase suffering. They embrace it when it comes or when chosen with wisdom. This is not toxic toughness. It's tempered courage. It's knowing when to rest, when to press on, when to say this is pain that purifies versus this is harm that breaks. Wisdom is the filter. Virtue is the guide. Conclusion. Let go of easy. Comfort wants you soft. The world wants you numb. But the Stoic says, give me a hard road if it makes me better. Give me friction if it reveals my fire. Give me discomfort if it builds my soul. So today, choose the harder yes. Speak the bolder truth. Face the thing you've avoided. And know this, comfort may protect your ego, but discomfort awakens your greatness. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this message stirred something real in you, like, subscribe and share it with someone who's ready to stop shrinking and start strengthening. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.